Conversation between a guest and a staff member.
Good afternoon. You've reached the Azure Terrace. How may I assist you today?
Hello, I'd like to book a table for dinner this evening, please.
Certainly. For how many guests and at what time?
Table for 4 at 7:30 p.m., if possible.
Let me check. Yes, we have a lovely table available in our garden wing at that time. May I have a name for the reservation?
It's under Miller, thank you.
Welcome back, Mr. Miller. Here are your menus. May I start you off with some appetizers while you look over the mains?
Thank you. We'll start with the seared scallops and the truffle bruschetta, please.
Excellent choices. And for your main courses?
I'll have the herb-crusted sea bass. My guests would like to ribeye steaks, medium rare, and 1 wild mushroom risotto.
Perfect. I'll place that order for you immediately. Would you like to see our wine list, or may I suggest a pairing for your meal?
We'd love a recommendation. What would pair well with both the sea bass and the steaks?
Since you have a mix of seafood and red meat, I'd suggest a medium-bodied Pinot Noir. It has enough acidity for the fish but the structure to handle the steak. We have a beautiful 2021 vintage from Oregon.
That sounds wonderful. We'll take a bottle of that, please.
I hope everything was to your satisfaction this evening.
Honestly, it was superb. The sea bass was perfectly cooked, and the wine recommendation was spot on. Please extend our compliments to the chef. The flavors were incredible.
That is so kind of you to say, Mr. Miller. I will be sure to share your praise with the kitchen team. They'll be delighted to hear it.
Could we have the bill whenever you're ready, please?
Of course. Here you are, sir. There's no rush at all.
Here you go. I've included a gratuity for the excellent service.
Thank you very much. That's very generous. I processed the payment for you. It was a pleasure having you with us tonight. We hope to see you again soon.
Thank you. Have a great night.